Filipino
What
point.
about Lolo? What about him?
Oh, when you look at the lips.
No, you're next. I mean, you're first next.
Because Filipinos doesn't want to let if you're gossiping with for other people, you don't want to point at them. Then you use your mouth.
And the
And
eyes.
How do you point?
It should be quick. It should be quick like that though. Like that. So he
They don't
cannot
notice.
so he cannot notice that I'm pointing to him. But it should be friendly lips pointing, ah. Friendly. Not like that, oh.
Ay, napansin niya pa yung
It should be, friendly.
Lagi kasing ganun si Tita Liti mo, gaganon.